bacelela abaholi noma ukhansela ngitshengile futhi ngiyecela ukuyinikeza ngoba lento yokumasha iy'drati zonke ze-South Africa with a zero impact of a change, it will cost us.
Umbuzo wami nje ulula. Ubone nini ukuthi ukumasha iy'taladi zonke kune-zero impact? Uqale nini ukubona ukuthi kune-zero impact of the change? Ngisebenzisa amazwi asetshenziswa wena. Uqale nini ukukubona? Noma into oyibone emva kokuba sewube ne-meeting nobuholi beqembu elithize no-president wezwe, wasuyaqala uyabona ukuthi lokumasha lokhu iy'taladi zonke zase-South Africa kune-zero impact. Mina ngayenza-ke ividiyo ngasho ngathi vele uhlakaniphile. Ifa lezula vele lidliwa abahlakaniphileyo. Uhlakaniphile and kuyakusebenzela ukuzenza uhlanye ube waziyo ukuthi uhlakaniphile, and uhlakaniphile lokwangampela futhi kuyawondla umndeni wakho ukuhlakanipha lokhu onakho. Isiphiwo nje nawe owaphiwa sona, and uyi-brand enkulu. Loko nje akekho umuntu ongakuphuca lokho, uyi-brand enkulu kabi. Mina nje ngiyakubongela ukuthi ezweni elihlupheka kangaka wena uyakwazi nje ukuzenzela imali ngendlela elula. Uyakwazi nje ukuzenzela imali ngendlela elula. Usupport umndeni wakho. Yabo nje hayi mina ngiyakubongela bandla. Ukugxeka nje hayi ku-wrong. Wena usebenzisa i-strategy esikusebenzelile. Futhi awufihli, u-open ngakho. Akuyona oqala ukuyenza futhi akuyona ogcinayo ukuyenza, usazoyenza. Hayi mina ngiyakubongela mina. Ngiyakubongela nje ukuthi hayi izinto zakho uyakwazi ukuziplana.
Sokunila namuhla ufikile Mbalulo, Secretary General we-African National Congress, bekane-media briefing. Ziningi izinto akhulume ngazo, kodwa enkulumeni yakhe uthinta udaba oluthinta i-March and March. Wachaza ngendlela achaze ngayo. Angifuni ukuchaza mina, ngizofakela ivideo yakhe la uze ukuthi uthini, kodwa kuna something interesting ayishilo ufikile Mbalulo engifisa sikhulume ngayo, ikakhulukazi njengoba izolo i-March and March ikhipha i-statement lapho ebesazisa khona ukuthi ayisezukusebenzisana noNgizwe pending i-finalization ye-investigation, ngoba sebetholile ukuthi kunabantu abathize abamukela inkokhelo noma abakhokhelo ukuze badayise ngomzabalazo. So ngaleso sizathu abafuni-ke kuvele basukele umuntu, bazokwenza i-investigation emveni kwayo bese-ke bephuma nezwi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Kodwa kwamanje azikho iy'nhlelo, awekho amamashi abazohlanganyela ndawonye noNgizwe. Uyenzile uNgizwe ivideo la bephendula khona, siyenzile ekuseni. Ungahamba uyobheka kuleyo video leyo la bechaza khona ukuthi yena une-experience. uJacinta noPhakela Umthakathi bathathwe uyidudumo nje, ifame nje into ebahlulayo. Yingakho babona bekhuluma kanje. Njengoba umuzwa nakule video equote uChillis la ukuthi uthi lento yokumasha njalo akuna impact. Futhi uthe yena ngeke amashe njalo, bokumasha njalo kuyayilimaza i-economy. Ziningi izinto ayishilo ayingazisho ngaphambilini. Ney'nsolo-ke zokuthi ikhononi kwimali ngempela uma esekhuluma kanje yena uyabona ukuthi seziyaqala manje ziyakhela, noma kuthiwa zilona iqiniso kodwa kusuka manje songazikholwa ukuthi ngathi ziyiqiniso, ngoba uma ngabe khona into abekangahambelani nayo noma ekubona ukuthi ukumasha nsuku zonke akusizi, uhlulwe yini ukuthi aye kulaba asebenzisana nabo afika athi bafowethu yazi ngihlale phansi ngabuka la, yakubona ukumasha kwethu ku-1 no-2 no-3 baphume endlini sebekhuluma ngazwi linye. Baphume sebekhuluma ngazwi ezwe, ngoba i-March and March ichazile ukuthi bona bazomasha up until ugovernment aqala uku-implementa lezi ntathu uzozenza, ngoba kudala ethembisa kodwa engenzi lutho. Yingakho manje amamasha akhona esehlela ukuthi azoba khona every Thursday. Ilokhu islogan sabo sithi we march and march until we win. Ilokho kuhleliwe. Ngiyafisa futhi ukuthinta indaba kaPhakela Umthakathi. uMbalula ukhulumile ngayo. Ngizokhuluma kahle mina emveni kokucapnela ivideo kaMbalula, ngicela uzwele.
Support in KZN. We work on support all the time in the campaign. It's not a given that the ANC will emerge victorious, but the work that we have started doing in KZN is the work that is directing towards regaining massive support the ANC enjoyed in KwaZulu-Natal. So that is the work we're doing. On SABC March and March, we're not celebrating the March and March march. We have been very consistent to condemn illegal activities that include vigilantism and anarchy. And we still insist on that. When on Twitter, the leader of March and March said that they are going to march every week and that I attacked them. I said, well, don't distort me. Because I said that march, even the issues that you are raising, you will be shocked that in our constituencies, people agree with the fact that some of these people in the areas where our people live, in the townships, have promoted drug dens and cartels and illegal prostitution or prostitution, and even by minors. When you check on those things, you realize that these are done in our areas. And what do we do? And I even made different examples about Kagiso. When people of Kagiso went to the streets, I went there as a minister of police, and I destroyed those houses. When people burnt down a police station in Kagiso, I went there with the police. I was a minister, I went there. And then we agreed on terms, and the policemen and women there were facing challenges and so on. We had to redirect them and said to the commissioner of police, do something, change the police here and all of that. This is what the community is demanding. And the police acted on that. And then I went back to the community, gave a report back. And then I said, among others, we are going to destroy these places around here, which we did. In some of those places today, there is McDonald's, Kentucky, and all of that built, creating jobs and so on. So we are not celebrating the fact that there is difference. It's a point of emphasis that because they were accused, among others, that they are fermenting this thing because of political interest to undermine the democratic state by vested interest, both domestic and international, and they are being given money, something that we cannot prove. But over and above that, they began to espouse politics. It is a well-documented fact that we were called by name as the ANC repeatedly by some leaders of this March and March, that the ANC must be isolated. Certain political parties must be recognized. And these political parties then invited the leaders of this March and March, embraced them. Whereas on the other hand, when ANC public representatives acting in the positions of authority, they were booed down. Now you want to tell me that there is no political element there? And then I said, you will see, because this is not a pure issue of immigration and undocumented people and all of that. It has got a hand behind it that is political, and this thing, they are going to end up fighting among themselves. And one leader during that period of the 30th called on people who were there that they must vote for the IFP. They must give IFP a chance here in Johannesburg. Ntebu, where were your cameras? They were there. And I was reacting exactly to that, to say that this is not just an innocent, pure grouping of people concerned about an issue-based issue, but it has now been extended to a political hand. And then meeting the president by some of the leaders of the group was defined as inimical. Why shouldn't the president of the republic, who represent all of us, irrespective of where we come from, meeting the people and citizens of his country, become inimical and basically be defined that those who did that act are sellouts? What is the agenda here that is being pursued? That's how you define an agenda. It's not me. It's the chronology of events that have unfolded around March and March that have then said, here we are dealing with a sheep, with a wolf in a sheepskin. The wolf is still coming. It's covered with a sheep. And the wolf has not come out agitating for political support or any other one. But it has been it started subtle, but it becomes aggressive in attacking the African National Congress. We will never support anarchy in our country. We will never support that Africans in our country must be beaten up and be chased like dogs. We are a lawful country. We are people of Ubuntu, people who are undocumented, as we have shown under the IMC of Kubai and the state. These things can be done and be done lawfully. And that's what has actually happened. And that's what the ANC espouses. The ANC has never said that illegal immigration is not a challenge. We said it's not unique to South Africa, it's global in its nature. And therefore, that is why we are giving you the immigration compact as our submission to this particular situation we are faced with in our country. But for the fact that others want to foment anger and project the country at an international stage as a country that is xenophobic, that's what we are called out there. Those who are not going to bear the consequences will loomer in the street and become peacetime heroes. But this country will suffer long after they've gone with their anarchy. For what? For what? Peacetime hero and all of that? For South Africa that we fought for and our forebears to be liberated, to be isolated for something that we don't believe in. That will not happen. And that cannot be promoted by law-abiding South African citizens. But equally, somebody said, I'm not reading the room. People are angry about immigration. I said, I'm reading the room correctly. I was at the Women's League rally when I spoke about immigration at the Women's League rally, and people said, in the ANC event, I was addressing. I read the room correctly. It does not mean even when members of the ANC say Abahambe, it's because they feel the brunt and the pain of somebody who's tormenting them down in East London, locking their kids for prostitution, for drugs in the streets. And I don't want to mention nationalities of where these people come from. We all know of these things. And therefore, it's a real matter that needs to be addressed, and we are addressing it. But it cannot be addressed in the way others seek to do. Project this country as a violent nation that hates other Africans, and therefore we can do as others wish. And that's how we will become quickly popular and maybe win votes. Some of these people are going to become leaders very soon.
uThumbalula uyasola ukuthi kukhona abantu abakhokhela imarch and march kodwa inkinga ukuthi akanabufakazi abukho kubufakazi zinsolo vele ikhona Kodwa-ke okunye futhi ofuneka sikuhlukanise la, kukhona uNgizwe, kukhona uPhakela uMthakathi, kukhona iMarch and March eholwa uJacinta. Abantu abayi-3 laba behlukene. Umuntu okhulume ukuthi i-IFP ayinikwe ithuba uPhakela uMthakathi, kodwa akarepresent iMarch and March la asuke ekhuluma khona. Okwesibili, kule weekend esisuka kuyo, uPhakela uMthakathi uvele wathola iplatform wathi no, why KwaZulu Natal ingazimeli ibe ne-constitution yayo. Ngathi hawu besababaza ukuthi abantu bafuna ukwenza iCape Independent, yena uyavela uza neyakho ukuthi KwaZulu Natal ayizimele. Yini-ke yithuba unele wabona isupport, usebona ukuthi kunezinto angaziguquka, of which leyo nto leyo ngeke iziyenzeke. ISouth Africa kufuneka ibe yizwe elilodwa eliyi-South Africa, lingahlukaniswa abantu abathize ukuthi KwaZulu Natal izimele, izimele cha. Kukhona futhi into engiye ngayibona ebhalwe ku-Twitter, wathiwa no, yazi uPhakela uMthakathi kube umobilize abantu kuthiwe senza njani ukuze sithathe umhlaba lo, ukuze sisebenzise umhlaba lo esinawo, ngoba masikhuluma iqiniso abantu bakwaZulu Natal banawo umhlaba. Why bengawuthathi lo mhlaba loyo bawenza ube productive, ukhanda imisebenzi for abantu bakwazi abantu ukuziphilisa bona emhlabeni wabo, bengafuni funding, kuthiwa akutrainwe abantu kwenziwe inhlelo ezokwenza ukuthi kuthuthukiswe abantu. Ngathi ya unephuzu lo muntu obekala, wathi na into ngoba uyabonakala ukuthi uyakwazi ukumobilize abantu. Musa kokusenza i-anger yakubantu ukuthi bacasukileke, awukuma bamobilize abantu entweni ekuthiwa ayisibenefite nathi. Ilento engihlezi ngisho ngithi nansi into efana ngabe yenziwa amakhosi. Angibambe le video, cela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Ngisho lento ngamabo uMphakela uMthakathi uneyimbuzi, uneyinkomo. Ibhizinisi labo basupply ngenyama, ibhizinisi yakhe emfakela imali, but uhlangana nabantu abangasebenzi. Akezi namasu ukuthi sisizana kanjani, ungena kanjani le bhizinisi yethu ukuze sibe nolwazi, sibe baningi esikhompyuthayo, esikhona la sikhompyuthe amongst each other. Yazi umuntu wangifundisa uYouTube, siya collaborate, siya computer kahle, healthy competition esinayo, ngoba siya understand ukuthi ekugcineni kosuku siyasebenza sonke. Ufuneka si-empowerane njengabantu. Uma nginolwazi ngikusherele, nomunye nolwazi angisherele, kanjalo impilo iqhubeke iye phambili. Lokho kudingekayo manje. Uqinisile-ke kokunye uqinisile uMbalula, kodwa kokunye uwenza iphutha ngoba akufanelanga uthathe imbono kaPhakela uMthakathi bese uyenza imbono eMarch and March. Ma wenze njalo uzokwenzela ikhulu iphutha. Futhi isizathu esikhulu esenza ukuthi uJacinta abe nenkinga ne-ANC ukuthi uNomagugu Simelane wamxoshisa emsebenzini uyimember ye-ANC. Nalokho ngeke size sikubalekele.